A well-cooked rose-scented chicken will transport you to the riad of some beautiful part of Fez, a wonderful smell.
There's a really fine balancing act to be done there.
You have just 3 minutes to get this up.
OK.
Happy with the chicken?
Yeah, it's cooked through.
I'm going to confess something, guys. I've never had a shorba before. I'm not entirely sure what it is.
Maybe it's a sort of gravy that's going to bring the whole thing together.
The last things to go on. There we are, the rose petals.
Done.
Well done.
I have made you some jewelled Persian rice with some rose-scented chicken, a rose and raisin chutney and an aromatic chicken shorba on the side. It's like a thick chicken sauce.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do we have to say clever things about this? Because I just want to make noises.
I love the almost like a barbecue note that's coming off the patty. It's just a hint of rose. It's there, but it's not dominant.
That shorba's fantastic. It's got yellow lentils, it's got shredded chicken, and it's got some real heat. And that, against the fruitiness and the fragrance of the pilau, is a wonderful, wonderful combination.
This is one of the loveliest things I've ever eaten on this show. It's just mouthful after mouthful of just pure joy.
Her shorba is like a chicken-flavoured curry sauce, which is tasty enough. The rice is lovely, with lots and lots of bits in it. I don't know if it's just me, but I can't taste the roses in that chicken.
Theoretically, it was a good dish. I was working solidly in the time period that I had. It was really intense.
Giovanna's the only one who's chosen to give us a dessert. Sicilian lemon, orange, rosemary and meringue. Quite cryptic, but that combination of flavours sounds potentially very, very good.
Oh, deep breath. Yeah! Brilliant! Yeah, you got it. You got it, you got it, you got it. Yeah! Go, girl!
Good afternoon. You have a lemon meringue tart with lemon and orange ice cream in the middle on a rosemary sable biscuit with confit orange, lemon curd and candied rosemary. Thank you.
Any mouthful of any of those combinations works absolutely beautifully.
It's simple, it's technically accomplished. The rosemary sits beautifully with those citrus flavours. The pastry's perfect too. I think this is a stunning dessert.
There's nothing left of it. You know, spot on, lovely.
That's ace. Isn't it? Really nicely done, very nicely made, very tasty indeed. Giovanna's done well.
I really pushed myself today. Because you have to. Like, you don't want to go home saying, should have done more, could have done more. You don't want to go home saying that.
We said it was going to be a big day, and a big day it was. And now you and I have to decide which 5 go through to finals week.